Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to watch Netflix on your Ford F-150. To begin, understand that your truck's built-in screen doesn't natively support video streaming apps like Netflix. However, you can use a smart AI box that plugs into your USB port. This device essentially transforms your infotainment system, allowing you to access various streaming services directly on your F-150's display. To get started, you'll need a smart AI box compatible with your F-150's Apple CarPlay or Android Auto system. These devices are available from various brands. You'll also need your smartphone to provide a Wi-Fi hotspot, as the AI box requires an internet connection to stream content. Finally, a USB cable is essential to connect the AI box to your truck's USB port. First, plug the smart AI box into one of your F-150's USB ports. Your truck screen should then display the AI box's interface. Next, navigate to the settings on the AI box and connect it to your smartphone's Wi-Fi hotspot for internet access. Once connected, you can open the pre-installed Netflix app directly from the AI box's home screen on your truck's display. Now you can browse and stream your favorite Netflix shows directly on your F-150's screen. Remember, for your safety and the safety of others, always ensure your vehicle is completely and safely parked before watching any videos. Never attempt to watch content while driving. When you're finished, simply disconnect the AI box to prevent any potential battery drain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.